Today we're going to be looking at this TECWARE Mirage liquid cooler. It's got a cool design and it even includes an infinity mirror on the CPU block. The TECWARE Mirage is a versatile ARGB liquid cooler with a universal controller compatible with multiple ARGB devices. It features a pump operating at 2,300 RPM and fans with a speed up to 1,800 RPM. The cooler supports Intel's LGA 1150 series sockets as well as the 1200 and 1700 sockets and AMD's AM4 and AM5 sockets. The packaging of this ARGB CPU cooler is eye-catching, featuring a glossy image of the product with a vivid RGB effect on the fans and CPU block. It smartly includes the dimensions of the CPU block and radiator on one side of the box and fan sizes on the back, alongside extra product images and features. Upon opening the box, each item is packaged in plastic bags, ensuring their protection. Probably not best for the environment though. The contents include the water cooler, thermal paste, a manual. A QR code is available on the box for the manual. The package also contains a backplate, fittings for both AMD and Intel setups, and noticeably a generous ARGB and fan controller card. This card can support up to 8 PWM fans and 8 ARGB devices, offering 5 extra connections for each, even after connecting the water cooler and its fans. The water cooler's design follows the familiar format found in most market options, with a radiator, braided tubes, and a cylinder-shaped CPU block. The standout feature is the RGB fans, which add a vibrant touch. However, the real distinction lies in the CPU block. It boasts an elegant RGB ring around its perimeter and an eye-catching infinity mirror effect that can be rotated on the face side. This creates a captivating visual where the logo and LED lights appear to recede endlessly into the block. While this effect is impressive, it's noteworthy that the fans don't share the same design element, which could have further enhanced the overall aesthetic appeal. The cooler comes with pre-installed fans, which is a convenient feature. These are standard 120mm fans with a 25mm depth. Their RGB lighting is bright and functions well, though it doesn't offer any unique visuals that set it apart from others. However, on our unit, there is a notable issue. One of the fans is installed on the radiator at a 90-degree angle relative to the other. This misalignment causes the RGB effects to be out of sync, which can be visually jarring. If you encounter this problem, a simple fix involves unscrewing one of the fans, rotating it by 90 degrees, and reinstalling it to align the RGB effects properly. The included ARGB PWM fan hub is a practical addition, offering space for up to 5 additional devices. This is a welcome change from the usual daisy chain cables or splitters found in similar setups. However, it's important to note the hub does not allow direct control of the ARGB lighting or fan speeds. To manage these, you'll need to connect the ARGB and fan headers to your motherboard and use its controllers for adjustment. For those without an ARGB controller on their motherboard, there is a clever workaround. You can connect your PC's case reset button cable to the hub. This setup allows the reset button to cycle through some preset ARGB effects, providing a simple solution for controlling the lighting without a dedicated ARGB motherboard controller. So down to testing. We did testing on an Intel i7-13700K processor running on a Z790 motherboard. Room temperature was at 21.5 degrees Celsius and the room is temperature controlled. At 100% fan speed, we got 80 degrees on average. That's with the CPU running flat out for 30 minutes, and we'll repeat the test 3 times. And the maximum temperature we hit was 88 degrees, showing that this is able to cool without a problem an i7 processor or below. Sound levels, at 50% speed we got 39 decibels, that's over a room decibel level of 31 decibels. At 100% speed we got 50 decibels in total. In conclusion, the TECWARE Mirage RGB 240mm liquid cooler stands out as a highly capable cooling solution, especially designed for mid to high-end CPUs, including the latest Intel 13th and 14th Gen i7. It features an efficient pump with a low noise profile and robust fans that maintain optimal temperatures at minimal sound levels. Compatible with a range of Intel and AMD sockets, it offers versatility for various PC builds. The packaging, complete with mounting accessories, thermal compound, and an 8-port controller for PWM and ARGB devices, makes it a comprehensive choice for users seeking effective cooling for the high-performance CPUs. One thing to note, the controller listed on the website says it's only 6-port, so you may get a 6-port or 8-port. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.